don't even know what to say.
Oh my God.
That is no f***ing way.
Stinks.
Does not smell the best.
It smells like melted plastic.
Or whatever's on the header's next plate.
Yeah. I guess he had them coated or something.
Yeah, I don't know if you can buy them like that from Texas Speed or not. I have no idea. Oh no, he said he had a local place by him coat him, I think.
Okay. Well, when they break in, they stink.
Bad.
Really bad. Oh man. At least it's not like the header wrap where it smokes off everywhere.
I'm actually surprised this didn't smoke more.
Yeah.
Header wrap is just insane. But I figured this would have smoked a little bit. It did like very little, but not much.
So yeah, heads cam, stage 3.
Stage 3 with Texas Speed headers, some custom exhaust.
Borlow and tips.
Yeah, it's like a stock catback that they just cut the muffler out and like put a Borla like muffler in.
Yeah.
And then a cane and air intake.
Yep. Which I think it already had.
I believe it did, yeah.
Okay. Also did a monster triple on this as well.
We did? Forgot about that?
Yeah, I just saw it in the trunk. The box.
Yeah, I seen it a minute ago, but yep.
2006, Le Mans Blue.
That's it.
It's a cool color.
I love it.
Color.
Huh?
It's Cody's old color.
KP's color.
Oh yeah, I guess it is Le Mans too. It just needs to be
Wide body.
polished up.
Just needs to get rid of base model fenders.
That too. Polished up.
It's getting a cage in a couple months. So.
Oh, is it? Nice. Going down the roads?
Yeah.
Nice.
March, I think, is when he could get me in.
Okay.
I called him like 2 months ago about it, and that's when he said he's going to do it.
Right, it's like us, 5 months
Like us, yeah.
In a good business, you're going to wait.
Yep.
If they can squeeze you in about an hour, there's probably not that good.
Yep.
All good things are worth waiting for.
Truth. That's what they say.
It's got some merit.
This thing is not doing bad.
No, 600 right there. Just like a bowl. Not what I figured, stage 3. We don't really use the Texas Speed or the K&N, but I mean...
Yeah, that's why I was curious to see what it would make with this, but pretty close.
Right on par. Not going to be any record-breaking stuff.
Wrong good though.
Yeah, it's pretty loud actually.
It is loud.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be very drony on the highway.
Yeah. Do you know what ATTAC actually stands for? The Borla ATTAC mufflers.
No.
So the guy that engineered them is actually like a sound engineer, and it actually means like acoustic tuned something kinetics.
Oh, really?
That's really what it stands for. Yeah. Useless fact of the day for you.
There you go.
last couple pulls.
Yeah, lean it out. Add a little timing.
27.
No, it has 21.
Okay.
Even.
Yep. But like, if it had 27, it would make like 700, because that's how it works.
Yeah. More timing is always better.
Yeah. It always means more power.
Always.
There's no diminishing returns, there's no knock, there's no nothing.
That's why you just put as much timing in the tune as possible, and then the knock sensors will pull it down to where it needs to be.
It's just,
so you just put like 30 or 40 in, and it'll pull like 10 or 15 out.
Yeah. The car just knows what it needs, it just adjusts, you know? Just...
The sad thing is, Fords do.
Yeah, well, they're a little... We've said this before, off the bat, they're a little bit smarter with wide bands. And
they'll add timing, take timing away, and add fuel and take fueling away. And if it sees knock, it'll pull timing out like anything else. But if you put race gas in it, it'll add timing until it doesn't see any knock, or until it sees knock, and then it'll pull some back. These things will not.
Yeah. We got factory boost gauges and wide bands. There's some things they are ahead of.
Yep.
Granted, this is also 14, actually now 15 years old, since we're now in 2021.
Yep. We're not actually in 2021.
Why they're watching this, we are.
But what if the world blows up?
Well, then this will be like a remnant.
They probably won't ever see it anyway if the world blows up.
Exactly. Well, if you're seeing this, the world didn't blow up, so yay! We're still here.
It was going to in 2020.
1 subtract 21.
The computer's gonna crash. They're like not gonna know what to do.
Dude, I remember when everybody thought that was the millennia.
Yeah, in 2000.
2000? Yeah.
Of course, yeah. Literally thought the world was gonna end because the computers weren't told to go to a number 2 when it was like from 1900 or whatever they.
Zero.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Are we allowed to shake in 2021? No.
I mean, I'll shake anybody's hand.
Oh, nice. I don't know what that was.
I was gonna give you the finger and then I was like, oh, that ain't right.
Oh, really? You have a morals now?
No.
Okay.
Really more for the...
I mean, I think we're well past keeping it PG for the viewers.
Yeah, well, you know, you get Dick Down and Dallas going on the radio, it's all over.
I mean, we've talked about standing and sitting while wiping. I mean, we're well past it.
I'm getting butt off and
Eric's getting-
sucked off in Vegas.
I really hope you play this song for Amber tonight.
I'm gonna. We not just say that? As soon as the next time I'm in the car with Amber, I'm gonna put it on and just act like nothing's wrong.
She's gonna be like, I like this song. She's not gonna hear the lyrics.
Oh, this is different.
This is different.
Just start nailing the lyric word for word. I'm getting dick down in Dallas.
Yeah, just started hammering out the lyrics.
I honestly think we need to give a shout out to the singer of the song.
What's his name again?
Tag.
Trey something?
Trey Lewis.
There you go.
God, what a country
He should
name.
come by.
She's getting dick down in
He
Dallas.
needs to come by the shop.
I was gonna say, I think we gotta get him out here.
We should. If anybody knows this guy, let him know. We're big fans. Big fans of his videos. There's music. Is there a music video to it?
Hey Trey, yeah,
Right.
whole deal. There's like a hotel room, like a line of guys. You missed that part. It's pretty funny.
That's Matt's favorite kind
They're
of.
all one dude walks out, they're all high
Really having a
fiving,
bukkake?
and then another guy walks right in. That's just getting dick down.
Surprised she didn't have a train run on her somewhere.
Yeah.
Train down in Kansas or something. I don't know. That would have been.
Getting trained down in Kansas.
Running a train on her in Kansas.
Let's see. We can make our own version. So Matt is working on the fuel system on this. looks like he's got most of it plumbed already. Feed, return, pump, filter.
Thank you.
Good?
Yep.
Letting go.
Wiring in everything for the fuel system.
Yep, just getting going on my relay here.
Matt also has the valve covers on. We'll take a better look when he drops it down, but I'm not going to make him do that while he's working on the fuel system. That would be rude. How's your fuel system coming, Jerry?
Good. I gotta do the vapor stuff now, put the blower on, and then finish the fuel system.
Okay.
So this finally came in.
Steam vent kit?
Yep.
Motion Raceworks?
Yep. So, gonna get this all installed and then put the blower on and finish the fuel system.
Cool.
Going to the new year.
Check out the regulator. It's good. Be helpful if you had a light bar.
I do.
It's
a light bar.
No, it's just a
I mean,
it's a light
bar shaped light.
No.
It's a light bar.
Gotcha.
Light bar.
Is this one of those things that was on Shark Tank?
Probably. Grip
Yeah, it is. There's
That's funny.
Yeah, here's another one right here.
Is it one of them little magnet tray things?
No, it's the guy was an aviation mechanic.
Yeah, I saw. But it like sticks to the side of something, doesn't it?
So if you like,
Yeah, they can stick on anything.
So you can put it on the side and it won't fall.
It's like those car phone mount things. the
Yeah,
little suction.
exactly. Exactly.
So Z28 that we did last year, heads cam. It's our heads, but a different cam, not our B3.
It's not going to be V3, remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. He's doing a
Custom spec.
something a little bit more mild.
Yeah.
So because he road races and everything, I think he wanted something probably a little bit more low end torque. That's my guess.
That would be my guess as well.
It's the Phil special. Probably don't expect some 630 high crazy number. Exactly. Probably in the high 5s, 580, 590 range, but a little bit more low end torque. So basically stage 3 made 580 something last year. Now we put a Mamo MSD on it.
And injectors.
Injectors, stock throttle body for now.
Stock air filter for now.
Stock air filter, yeah. And those work really well.
We're gonna find out.
It's the power's exact, let's call it 2 horsepower than it was with stock Apple.
So up 12 foot-pounds of torque.
And basically the same power.
We're gonna try a different filter. This is Phil. This is Phil's car. He's friends with us. Otherwise, we wouldn't normally do this.
Not my friend.
He's not. Oh, okay. Yeah. So we're gonna try a different filter. See if that does anything. Right now we are at 585, 513. We're gonna see if filter does anything, and then we're gonna try. This is the old 102.
don't lie.
Yeah. The combination of throttle body, intake manifold. Because I don't think putting the intake manifold on without the throttle body.
Pick up a lot.
Yeah. But I think with that together, it's really
Correct. That's where you get the combination of gains. It's picked up 40 foot-pounds. No, 38 already.
yeah.
That's a lot.
Looks like you're buying a throttle body.
That is no way. I would have never.
It's almost on par with our E3 numbers.
That's pretty close. And it's on a stock clutch.
It's good torque, really good torque.
Yeah. You know you kidding?
We gotta get your reaction here to this thing.
I think you get my own reaction.
There you go. Sick.
This is crazy. Oh my god.
Now you always see stuff on Instagram and YouTube.
Yep. It's totally different in real life. It's so much better.
And it's clean. I ain't seen it clean since I got it.
No, we had to wash it for you, man. It was dirty. It was dirty.
I don't even know what to say.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You got a channel or something you want to plug?
Oh yeah, so definitely make sure y'all subscribe to YouTube, JFO Space TV. We don't got no videos right now, but this is gonna be the first video that I'm gonna drop.
Hell yeah.
So
Yeah, you gotta check out his reaction. He's filming. It's definitely worth it. It turned out sick for sure. So before I show you what they're working on next, show you what Matt finished up on the C7. Way better in the light. It's a little hard because it's pretty dark out. But we also did our low side and high side fuel system. So high side we just use LT4 injectors and the LT4 pump. This is a C7 LT1 that we did pistons and rods in a little while ago. We also did the Pro Charger, Arcan, and Killer Power, but we're boost limited not because of the piston rod combo, but because of the fuel system. Now I was waiting here for the valve covers. While I was waiting, we got the valve covers. Customer said, you know what? Let's do the fuel system now. So now let's get in that. It's going to go back on the dyno soon. Should be able to do a little bit more boost as well as flex fuel. So we'll be able to turn this thing up. So looking forward to seeing it on the dyno soon. But let's go check out what they got next.